Hello everybody, how you doing? This is Fahad and this video is about the CSS borders. In this video, we're gonna talk about the different types of borders in CSS. Okay, I have just created a simple structure of the HTML file and also just text just to save the time. So let me show you how we can have a different types of the borders. So P for the paragraph element, and we have created a dotted class. Alright, in dotted class it will only be targeting the paragraph element of the dotted card. Okay, I have created a dotted class and in which I have specifically targeted the paragraph element of the dotted class. In the same way, we will be creating other border types as well. Let me just do this. Alright, I have just written the code for every single border. Now I have to use it within a paragraph with the help of class attribute. I have already written the code of every type of the border style, and now I have just filled all the attributes of different paragraph with the different classes with the different border styles. Alright, so let me just save this and see how it goes. Okay, so this is how the different border styles look. You can see it here. Okay, in the mixed border style you can give other values as well. For example, if I just want to go with the inset, if I just change the value from to groove, you're gonna have the different the style. Okay, so this is how the different border types or different border styles look, and this is all for this video. If you really find this useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.